next let's start with coal. So coal is what? Coal is used by mining. कैसे हम इसको करते हैं? It is used by mining. It is a black or brownish black rock-like substance made up of carbon. इसको हम कैसे यूज करते हैं? कैसे यूज में लाया जाता है? माइनिंग प्रोसेस से इसको निकाला जाता है. It is a black or brownish black rock-like substance made of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and varying amount of sulfur. So we can say that coal is the form of carbon. So this is not exactly true. Coal is the form of carbon. That is not wrong. But maximum is the carbon there. Different amount of other elements are also present there, like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and varying amount of sulfur is also there along with the carbon. Carbon क्या है? Main constituent है. Rest all are also present in traces there. Fine. So next, coal is primarily contain carbon. That is the answer of my question, which I have asked earlier. We have studied already that number of time कि coal is a form of carbon. But here we had come to know it is also having some percentage of hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur with it. So, but the question is arising here कि how we can say that then coal is the only form of carbon. So answer is here given over there. Coal is primarily contain carbon. That's why जो primary हम क्या कहेंगे? कोई भी चीज majority में है, we are going with that ना. Minority पे क्या करा जाएगा? थोड़ा सा compromise हो जाएगा कि नहीं, इसको हम ignore कर सकते हैं. Fine. So that's why rest of all there, but 90% majority is of carbon. So that's why coal is known as the product of carbon. Majority is of carbon, primarily contain carbon. Fine. Next we can say here how it is formed. So I have shown you already in the introductory part कि fossil fuel are formed. So there I have taken the example of coal कि how it is found under the earth crust and how the temperature and pressure is very extremely over there. So you can see the pictorial representation over there. So now we need to know about the process which is responsible for the formation of coal. Slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. So the process is carbonization. So carbonization is what? When the vegetation, dead vegetation, they have written there, dead vegetation. So we can come to know dead and decaying plants. They are talking about majority plants के dead होने से what is going to be formed? Coal. Fine. And this process, dead vegetation when converted into coal, this process is called as बच्चे carbonization. ठीक है? The process of formation of coal by the dead vegetation is under extreme condition. We know that temperature and pressure क्या रहेगा बेटा? Extreme condition पे रहेगा. Extreme high. This arrow is showing high. So that is called as carbonization. Another is the period during which this process of coal formation takes place is called Carboniferous age. तो जिस एज में, जिस टाइम पीरियड में ये कार्बनाइजेशन प्रोसेस होता है, फाइन, द टाइम पीरियड, कौन सा पीरियड? टाइम पीरियड. जिस पीरियड में दिस प्रोसेस इज हैपनिंग, विच प्रोसेस? Carbonization. Time period required for the carbonization is called as Carboniferous age. That is very, very important. Two new phenomenon we will come to know here. One is carbonization, another is Carboniferous age. Carboniferous age, sorry. So carbonization, dead vegetation undergoing for the conversion of coal from vegetation to coal under extreme condition of temperature and pressure under the earth crust. And the process is named as carbonization and the time period for the formation, इसको process को complete होने में the time is required, that time is called as Carboniferous age. Fine.